Wouldn't it be great to have women chasing you for a change? I'm sure you've spent a large amount of your time chasing women. Now, men are often told that it's the only way that they will end up dating a lot of women or getting a girlfriend. The truth is, this is not true at all. Both men and women can do the chasing. Most women love the thrill of the chase, which means that you don't always have to do all of the work. So today's video, I'm going to tell you about what you can do so that you will have the women chasing you. Let's go, like and subscribe. Don't give up early. If you would like a lady to chase you, then don't give up too early. Picture this, you are both on a date and it's going well. She's laughing and smiling a lot at the things that you are saying. You can tell that she's having a great time, but the problem is, at this point, a lot of guys start celebrating early. They may think she's happy, I can pull off the brakes. Then she stops being so interested in laughing because the behavior that she liked is not being displayed anymore. Don't count your chickens before they hatch, as they say. If you would like a lady to chase you, give her something to chase and impress her with your amazing personality. Try putting her in the friend zone. The friend zone. It is not a nice place to find yourself, but it can drive you forwards and get you to work a little bit harder for what you want. Of course, you don't want to find yourself in the friend zone, but you could put her in it. Girls often don't even realize how they feel about guys until they are just his friend. Then they will work extra hard to become more than that. It's all about the chase. They want you to change your mind and get you to view them as more than a friend. It's a challenge in their eyes, so try it out and see what happens. Make friends with her social circle. You might have your eye on her, but to get to her, you have to go through the social circle. You might have slightly connected social circles already, or maybe one of your friends knows one of her friends. So you have to find a way in and then make friends with her friends. The more time you spend with them, the more time you spend with her, and she will be able to get to know you better, and this can lead to chasing. Plus, she might be threatened that one of her friends will like you, and you might like them back. This adds a whole new dimension to the interactions that you have together, and it gives her a chance to actually chase you. If you need to leave, leave. You need to remember that she is not your girlfriend yet. You're not even dating. You might like her and she might like you, but nothing's official, which means that you are free to do, well, pretty much whatever you want. If you suddenly have to leave town, you don't need to tell her, just do it. If you are out with your friends and you have to leave early because you have work the next morning, just do it. It sounds a little harsh, but the more you show her that you are independent and have your own life to live, the more attractive she will find you. Believe me when I say that girls love nothing more than an independent guy. Don't let her distract you from your goals. I'm sure you have goals that you are working towards. Maybe you want to lift a certain weight at the gym or get a promotion at work. Goals are important because they help you move forward, but also shows girls that you are driven and motivated. Now, girls do not want to chase the guy that has no ambition. They want to chase someone who is out in the world doing anything to achieve his goals. It shows them that if they were able to eventually be your girlfriend, they would be able to help you achieve your goals. Now, girls are very maternal and like to know that they would be a useful addition to your life. Listen to her and allow her to be vulnerable. Once we truly open up to someone, they become an extremely important part of our lives. We can't just open up to strangers on the street, and if we do, it's very weird. It's not who we are as humans. We have to be close to people. So to get to know people and to be able to trust someone is a big deal. If a girl finds a guy that listens to what she has to say when she's being vulnerable and gives her some advice, she will be hooked. Not many guys do this as they tend to hold back their emotions. So if you can do this for a lady, you will have her chasing you. When you spend time with her, focus on her. She's not going to chase someone who is not interested in her, right? She wants to chase a guy who's going to be interested. So when you are with her on a date or even in a social situation with her friends around, you need to make sure that you always focus on her. Look her in the eyes when she's speaking to you and don't let your eyes drift around the room. Reply to what she says thoughtfully. She might not be used to a man really focusing on her when you are together. This will make her think about how special you are and that you are someone worth chasing. You can disagree with her opinions, That's right, probably sounds very scary, but you don't have to agree with everything she has to say. Sure, you want her to like you enough to chase you, but you don't want to look weak. Girls do not find weak guys attractive at all. She wants to date someone who has their own thoughts and feelings, which means she does not expect you to agree with everything she has to say. Now, you don't have to be rude when you are disagreeing, but be honest and open about what you think. And if she is open-minded, she will think about both sides and probably really value your new opinion. Be mysterious and keep her guessing. If she knows everything about you straight away, she isn't going to keep coming back for more, is she? Leave some things up to the imagination by being mysterious and keeping her guessing. Girls instantly want to learn more about a guy when he's mysterious. All you need to do is keep some things private. Girls also find guys that speak in a lower, slower voice more mysterious than those who speak in a louder, faster voice. So try that and see how that goes. Confidence is key. Showing a girl that you are confident makes her think from the very beginning that she is going to have to put some work in. If when she first met you, you were shy, then she might expect you to be chasing to win her over. If you are confident, then she will be more attracted to you and therefore will be more likely to be the one to do the chasing. Now, a bit of psychology comes into this, but basically, if we don't believe that we are good enough for someone, well, we are more likely to chase them. Let her be the clingy one. You want to be chased by her, which means you can't be the one who is always desperate to chase her. It has to be the other way around. Make sure that you don't become the clingy one by filling up your life with other things like seeing friends and going to the gym. Be available when she wants to see you or speak to you, but don't go out of your way to be free all of the time for her. Let her cling on to you. Speak less. The less you speak, the more mysterious you are to the girl you are trying to get to chase you. The less you speak, the more she can speak. Don't say nothing, just be selective about what you say and when you say it. Let her lead the very first date. She has fought hard for the chance to date you, so let her be the one to take the lead on the first date. Let her tell you where it will be, when it will be, and where it will be. Also, let her start by asking you questions instead of you asking her all the questions. She might want to lead the conversation at first and then you can take over. Obviously, thank her on the date for organising everything. After the first date, let her continue to chase you and put in some work, but you also need to step up and show her that you are interested, and that's when you can start to chase her ever so slightly. There you go, we've reached the end of the video. I really hope this video helped. Leave your comments down below if you feel I've missed something from today's video. And one more thing, if you want to get your name rolling up like these people's names just here, then all you have to do is click the link in the description bar to find out a little bit more. Have an amazing day, like and subscribe. See you soon.